ready? Come on, Tux. This way, come on. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Good morning. That's my sweetie heart. And everybody else is over here. Good morning. Good morning. I'm excited to see a purple flower. Yay! And the Japanese beetles didn't even get it. I wish this had more purple than white. But it's all one tree and then a bunch of volunteers, so it does what it does. Oh wow, the hummers down there on the canna lily flower first thing this morning. Very cool. You probably can't see him too good. I had some video from the other day that unfortunately was vertical, but I meant to include it and forgot. It was on from the iPhone, obviously. Anyway, it's Thursday and Michelle and I are going to meet at Guardian Angel. Johnny has a follow-up dental appointment tomorrow. That makes tomorrow not a good day. So we're going to meet today. Works for me. Only other thing on the agenda today is Taekwondo. And going to make cheese stuffed chicken breast for dinner. So that means cooked bacon. Don and I did end our fast yesterday at 45 something hours. We had ate dinner late the night before, so we weren't able to quite go 48 and eat dinner at a reasonable time. It's all good. Well, it's a new day, same routine. And it's not cool or refreshing out here. And you can hear the bugs off in the distance. And yeah, you hold down the fort, Tux, okay? Well, it's nice here in the shade. We got out of the house on good time today. Maybe I won't be rushing in late to meet Michelle. Have enough time to come in and do what I need to do without clock watching constantly. That'd be nice. So they mostly fixed that tree. Maybe not quite to my standards, but it's close. I came in and chainsawed it right off at the trail. Well, there's the camp kids. There's like no cars at the community center. It sort of is amazing how some mornings it's super crowded and others not. It's got to be because of an indoor exercise program of some sort. Because there is exercise equipment in there and they do have room to do that on the basketball court. So there was a Chevy Bolt with a B, I think a newer one.
Yeah.
And Don, what were you saying?
Yeah, I was saying it's encouraging now. We're in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina, and there's 2 electric cars in the parking lot, and there's only one, I think there was 1 gasoline car. So I mean, that's impressive that there's 2.
Yeah, and we frequently see the red Model 3 over there, so that's 2 on those days, and we have seen other Teslas occasionally in the parking lot, so.
Of course, there's selection bias here. People who would go out and go to a park on a weekday are probably more physically active, let's say, not trying, and those people are probably more health conscious, environmentally conscious, and all that stuff, so they may be a slight selection bias there to the point where they would be likely to be.
It's possible, sure. Yeah.
Let's put it this way, people who haven't darkened that park probably are not driving electric cars.
Probably not. Alright, happy thrift hunting today. Michelle just pulled up. I've got one item for you.
Me too.
You're all butterflied out today. I like it.
Thank you. I have to admit I cheated on you on Tuesday. I took the kids here.
Mark told me he saw you. You know you can't come in here without somebody passing it on.
I had something for for you. I was gonna just drop it off at your house, not even tell you, but then I got busy.
Oh my God, it's Legos! Yay! Awesome.
Old. A lot of them are old.
But look at the base plates and stuff. Way cool. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That would be cute in a little girl nursery. I guess those colors could go either way maybe too. Anyone in need of a large whiteboard? Wow.
Oh.
When you find a whole box of really great condition comic books and graphic novels. It's Jarvis cute. I squeezed it. It scared me to death the first time. Very cute. Sometimes I talk to myself, then we both laugh. A lightsaber skirt. I like that. That's cool. It's like Paris or Italy maybe. I'm thinking Italy. Venice.
Maybe.
Yeah. And then this is a skirt too. Very pretty. We found a few things today, but the cart is not as full as usual. But Michelle, look over there. You think they all went to the Last Chance outlet?
I bet you they did.
This black shirt's been up there a long time. I'm thinking.
Maybe we should go dig it.
I think we should go look. When you lose your cell phone signal, old enough to know better, wise enough not to care. I probably still care. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning how to dance in the rain. We got a lot of stuff at the secondhand store again today. Awesome finds. And then there's this. It's a Lulu LaRue dress. We say no. Bye. Next week. Yep. Bye. Well, since I've been home, I've been working on the kitchen dining room area. You can see the dining room and you can see the kitchen. It's kind of hard to light it up properly, but refrigerator, sink, orange juice, stove, little bench in front of the window, and the checkerboard pattern, there's a few pieces missing over here. I'll be able to stick that on in a tan piece here. But the kitchen is otherwise done. And I put in this little pass-through wall because the floor for the second floor is really going to need a support. And I just thought it looked cool. I didn't like it solid, so the middle is, there's no window, but on the sides here it's clear. I just thought it was kind of cool. Alright, saying hello to you from the treehouse in Florida. It feels like Florida. Every afternoon we have these little tiny showers now. It's really okay, Gray. Gray. She looked pretty petrified. It's not booming out here today. It is so thick. You want some canned food, Panther? Okay. Well, I got Johnny dropped off at Taekwondo. We have some people gathering tonight. I'm parked away. Hopefully it'll be okay. Saw a Fuquay police officer come in the parking lot a few minutes ago. Make a circle. Alright, the Lego aisle is looking a little bit better today. At least it's a full aisle length and then some on the other side too. Alright, now I'm not quite as upset. I checked every kit with dots to see if any of them have the ones I need. Especially this kit, which at least has some in the color, but not the square ones I need for that kitchen floor. No, that would be a big empty space no on any potential Tesla Hot Wheels. You gotta love it when Sentry catches yourself. Just driving through South Park on the way home from Taekwondo and Walmart. See a white 3 there. Older people are playing on the big field. It might even be an adult league. Definitely at least high school. And so I bought an item at Walmart tonight and it rang up almost $5 more than the item on the sticker. So I called the girl over and she fixed it. That's like, I was like, wow. I think this item they had like a year and a half ago, and I'm thinking maybe they found one of them in the back, and they just threw it out on the shelf because there was only the one, and I have been wanting more of it. And so maybe that's just how much it's gone up. And all the new ones, of course, are branded with the correct price for that UPC, but this really old one wasn't. Hard to say for sure. But so cute. Johnny's carrying in my purchases and helping Mr. Man off the driveway.